hola, my name is Maestra Tammy and I am from Pasito School. And in this video, I'm going to talk about just two things that I know that many parents consider in choosing an elementary school. And I know that many parents choose and are attracted to Pasitos because we are Spanish immersion and because we offer a non-traditional, more progressive educational approach. And in thinking about these two things, Spanish immersion, non-traditional, more progressive educational approach, something that is supported and founded in the research, something that is different than what many of us might have, the way that many of us were taught, the way that many teachers are still teaching in today's schools. So when thinking about choosing an elementary school, parents find that in choosing a Spanish bilingual elementary school and an elementary school that focuses on the whole child, on student-centered learning practices, project-based learning, supporting and encouraging parent participation, hands-on learning activities, including a wide variety of field trips, integrated arts education, using positive discipline. There are these elementary schools where all of these practices do exist, but they don't have the Spanish immersion. So many parents find themselves making this decision about which school and which type of school are you going to pursue. One parent, Erin, she chose Spanish immersion. She said, "This is a precious, precious gift that I can offer to my child. I can't offer this at home." They were only English at home. And so she said, "This is a precious gift that I can offer to my child through school. So why wouldn't I enroll my child in this language program?" Another mom, Nicole, said, "Language learning can happen later. This whole environment of the school, focusing on the whole child, on accepting others and embracing differences, on not engaging in public displays of humiliation, which does happen in many traditional elementary schools. This different type of education that has been supported in the research for decades now and is being implemented in a wide variety of schools throughout the United States, throughout the South Bay." So Nicole said, language later, this is who my child is, and I'm going to choose this type of school, a more progressive type of school. So both of these comments, both Erin and Nicole, were previous speakers at our Kinder panel. I encourage all of you to sign up. It's coming up. You can sign up on our Facebook page. You can visit us on our website, pasitoschool.com, to learn more. Feel free to add your questions about kindergarten, about choosing an elementary school. I'd love to hear your ideas. Ciao.